Decoding the phrase, lame duck. Hey there, language enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom, lame duck. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning and origins but also how to use it in everyday conversations. Let's get started. Before delving into its idiomatic usage, let's understand the words individually. Lame refers to a person or animal that has difficulty walking, often due to an injury. Duck, a water bird with a broad flat bill, short legs, and webbed feet. When you combine them, a lame duck would literally refer to a duck that can't walk properly. But as with many English idioms, its figurative meaning is quite different. In a figurative sense, lame duck is commonly used in two contexts. 1. Politics refers to an elected official, like a president, governor, etc., who is approaching the end of their term and has little influence or power. This happens especially when their successor has already been elected. 2. Business and finance denotes a company or investor that is in financial trouble and unable to meet its obligations. Why do we use this term? The idea behind it is that just like a duck that can't walk properly is hindered, an individual or entity labeled a lame duck is seen as less effective or influential in their respective roles. To help you integrate lame duck into your vocabulary, here are some examples. 1. After the recent elections, the current president is considered a lame duck, with limited influence over new policies. 2. The company turned into a lame duck after a series of bad investments, and it's doubtful they'll recover. Remember, like all idioms, the context in which you use it is vital. It's always about the situation and not about a literal duck with a limp. And that wraps up our deep dive into the phrase, lame duck. English is filled with these intriguing idioms, and understanding them can truly elevate your language skills. We hope this video shed light on this particular phrase, and we look forward to exploring more with you soon. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.